Hi everyone who is watching this video about my story with the suitcase. I bought it online. I received the suitcase with a non-function retractable handle. More precisely, the button of the retractable handle cracked inside. So friends, if you don't know how to fix a suitcase handle or how and what to make a new button for a retractable handle, watch the video until the end. You may ask yourself a question: how to pull the handle out of the suitcase and fix it if the broken button? Watch the video for the answer. We put forward the handle of the suitcase. It is necessary to unscrew the bolts and disassemble the handle, so that later we can put all the details in their places. We look at it and remember the system of the handle itself. I will make a new button. I took OSB material since I had a small rail available. I advise you to take a solid tree if you want to make a button even stronger. To begin with, it will be better if you glue the broken part. Then put the button on the OSB and line it around. Cut out a piece of wood. If you have a jigsaw, great. I used what was in the house. Making a part yourself is, of course, more complicated than going to the store, but a button made of wood is more durable. I note that it will also save you money. It took me about 4 hours. I removed the thickness of the part and filed it from all sides, so that they do not cling to the plastic walls when pressed. I covered OSB to reduce moisture penetration with varnish. If left the wood unvarnished, it will expand insides from moisture, and swollen wood may prevent the joint from moving well during use. I am making such a button for the first time. Like the video and subscribe to our channel if you think this is a good idea and thanks for the effort. You may give me inspiration for new ideas. Of course, it will be easier to choose a button in a store, but then what? The plastic button both the same as the previous one will break in the most opportune moment on the trip, and the suitcase will remain in your hands. I hope you like the final result, and if you watch this video to the end, leave a comment to support my channel. I will be glad to receive feedback.